probably get copyrighted for that, but yeah, hopefully I don't. Alright, I just got the shower. I throw on my night gear and all that good stuff. Either way, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Ray, aka Little Ray TV. We back with another video. Now, this is the one I said is a very, very dear to my heart. I did get a little emotional, like a tiny bit, like 5% out of 95 when I got these shoes. Mind you, they came so quick. That sounds crazy. But it came from Nike, or sneakers really. I got the exclusive access. I thought it was literally for everybody, but it wasn't. And I got the shoe. Literally, I ordered it. When I got exclusive access, I got it. And then we'll go through the whole process of what happened. I know some people, like, I'm going to run through now everything that happened, but let's get right into the video so I can end this intro. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. You know, the 500 plus subs, as well as comment whatever you want. I respond to all my comments. Like the video, share the videos, get more people join the squad. And my Instagram and main channel, those two links will be down below. So no further ado, go check out the main channel. Main channel, link down below, and follow me on Instagram. Go show some love over there. No further ado, let's get right into the video. I look brolic in this hoodie. Either way, let's get it. Alright, so off rip, let's get right into the shoe. One thing I thought Kobe, Nike, sneakers, Vanessa, somebody, they could have at least blessed it for baby girl Gigi Bryan. I forgot her middle name, but come on, son. They couldn't blessed it. All they got is a blank, plain box with the Nike logo there. Nothing here. Nothing here but the Nike right there. And literally just the Mamba logo, Nike logo right there on top. Saying Kobe and script, if I'm not mistaken. Well, come on. This is a basic. Out of all the boxes they create as Nike, that's all they gave us. Couldn't mix it with some black and white. Either way, let's get right into the shoe. They call it the Mambacitas. I forgot the actual nickname, whatever, but obviously everyone knows this is a Kobe 9 Protro. I don't know why I'm getting tongue twisted, but I got my personal size 9.5. Now, a lot of people did get exclusive access, but sneakers was freezing, it was glitching, saying card error. I literally had to go back and forth to go. I tried Apple Pay with both of my cards. I didn't care what card got charged. I'll just pay it back if it was my credit card, my savings. I didn't care. I literally was going back and forth. It was literally glitching. I seen a lot of people in the comments of Instagram saying, oh, I got exclusive access, but by the time I got through, my size sold out, blah, blah, blah. Mind you, no disrespect, but I don't believe. Like, I done sold Kobe's in the past, but these right here, I'm against why I'm not even thinking about selling them. That's why I got my size, because when I got through exclusive access, literally every size was available except for 12.5, you know, that fake Nike size, and of course people would resell that size. But if I wanted to be a reseller in this moment, like, you know, proud of me, because I stuck to my gun. I literally knew these sneakers were coming out like a week before it came out, and I was like, damn, I want to get them. Hopefully it was easy. You know, the process, I didn't know how they was going to drop it, but exclusive access I got on my main account, which is on my phone, my actually main phone, not the one I'm recording on. But I literally got through, went straight for 9.5. I could have got 13, 12, 11. I could have got any size, and if I wanted to, I could have resold it and made so much money. But with this shoe, I'm glad I was able to get my personal size. Even if I never wear it, at least I can wear it. Or it's just going to be memorable to my sneaker collection. You know, sometimes the sneakers you get and you just want to have it for your personal. Doesn't mean you have to wear it, sadly. But if I want to, I can. But let's get right into it. Now, like I said, when I first looked at these, I got really, like, you know, it gave me a little shivers. You know, I got this like a couple days ago. It's a new week. I got this probably legit last week or whenever it came. I think it dropped on Sunday. I got it like that Wednesday or so. So I got it like last week sometime, and I unboxed it. One of these boxes that I got here, I don't want to show my address, but one of these boxes, like I said, all over my room came from this shoe. And I literally was on my way to work when I opened this, and I was just like, damn. You know, maybe you'll feel the same way when you get it in personal, or maybe when you see this video. But let's just take out the shoe. Like I said, everyone knows this is a Kobe 9 Protro. Like I said, it has a regular white paper, nothing on it. Just a typical black box. Yeah, so let's show this right now real quick for the thumbnail. It does come with extra laces, so let's just flip that over and just get the thumbnail. Boom. Hopefully that does the magic. But real quick, let me just show the laces. So yeah, it comes with these all black white laces, which you can switch them if you want, because you know the shoe has all white with the black tips. But if you want, you could switch it out for all black with the white tips. Now, before I put this away, I don't want to mess up the shoelaces. So yeah, they call it the Mambacitas or something. They call it Mambacita. Yeah, they do call it. All right, so look inside. There's a lot of detail in this shoe. You got the angel referring to his daughter, which obviously Gigi, that sadly passed away with him. I don't know if you can see it because the reflection of the lighting, but you could try to see in there. Let me see if I put the flashlight on my phone. Maybe you guys can see it a little bit. But yeah, you can see right there it says Mambacita, and it shows number 2 in there with the angel wings type of deal. Take off the light. So it does say that in that one. Obviously I'm gonna show you the details in the other shoe, but I do want to show you the most important thing of the shoe. Of course, we love Kobe and all that, but it still bothers me to this day. I can't believe Kobe passed, let alone his daughter with him. That was literally following his blueprint, his footsteps, and playing basketball. That's why that shit hurt. I still remember that day when he passed. I literally couldn't get over it that whole week. And a lot of people, I know a lot of people could relate with me, but that's the reason why I went strictly for my personal size. I could have got this in any size. Trust me, every size was available when I got through Access. I simply went straight for my size, and that's the reason why I would never get rid of these shoes. The fact that it has GG name on it, to me, this is more important than having Kobe's name, because Kobe is his shoe. We get it, but GG, that's what made me really get, like, excuse my French, but that's what really fucked me up in the game, is like having his daughter's name on there. So shout out to GG, and of course the greatest player for me, Kobe Bryant. But let's get into the shoe. I'm gonna put the one with the laces away because I don't like it when it flaps. This one also says the same thing, Mambacita, with the number 2 angel wings. But overall, this shoe, the design, like, I never had other Kobe 9 Zoom. I know these are like one of the most popular Kobe colorways and silhouettes. This, like, you know, Kobe 9. I know the Grinch and every other one is a popular sneaker. But to get these in a neutral color, like black and white, aka like a panda colorway, you know, that's been a popular thing. But like I said, for them to have their names on them is very powerful for me. So you guys can see the Kobe name right there. I know it's a little glaring because it's like shiny, but Kobe's name with the M, Mamba stands for Mamba, obviously on both. The only thing that's different on the shoe is literally just the names, but the design, the shoelaces, everything's the same. That good Nike smell. But like I said, I feel bad for people that had exclusive access and didn't figure out how to do it, or maybe their internet, data, Wi-Fi, all that was acting up. But I was determined to get this. I had exclusive access. It popped up. Boom. I refreshed the sneaker. Like I said, I thought it was going to be for everyone's account, but I guess I was wrong. I thought it was just going to be at 12 o'clock, everyone checking, first come, first serve. But it was definitely exclusive access. It popped up on my phone. I clicked on it. Went straight from my personal size, 9.5. And I tried every payment possible. Apple Pay, regular, shipping, this, that. It didn't work. And I just kept trying, going back out and in, so maybe could refresh like the data on the sneakers app. But once I did that, out of nowhere, from my 9.5, boom, it popped up, got them. And I don't think I got the picture anymore, but it doesn't even matter. Clearly, I got it right here. So obviously, this is the proof in the pudding, and obviously, I wouldn't lie about paying retail, resale. Resale for this, the first week was through the roof. Legit, it was from $800 to $1,200, depending on what size you got. Now it definitely did go down. Obviously, all the pairs came in, sneakers pairs. But if you sell them, you know, I don't think Kobe would say people are distasteful for selling, because he knows people that are willing to pay the money, right? Like, you gotta think about it. If I didn't want these and someone said, hey, I'll give you $1,000 for it, at least that person that's paying $1,000 is gonna be the person that cherishes it. You get what I'm saying? So, you know, Kobe understands. He wouldn't really be too mad. You gotta think about it. People pass every day and they sell people's stuff. Whether he might think it's distasteful or not, I just, you know, depending how you feel. Like, you know, I had the undefeated Kobe's, and it was a gold shoe, and I was like, I'm never gonna really do nothing with this Kobe. You get what I'm saying? So I sold it for what, $300, $400. It did go down the price, so I did sell it for the high. But these right here is more, you know, more. I don't even know the word. I'm speechless. But it's more memorable to have this shoe with Kobe and Gigi's name on it. Because, you know, obviously him passing, let alone his daughter with him, is, to me, that's what hits the most. Is him and his daughter. Like, all jokes aside. But this shoe, I'm going to have this forever. Like I said, I don't know if I'll ever wear it. Maybe to a place that has carpet, but if it's not carpet, then I don't know if I'll ever wear this. But to add this to my sneaker collection is crazy to me. With the shiny pebbles, look like shiny fruity pebbles type of deal. Like I said, they all look like, the whole shoe looks the same, so there's really nothing else to show you guys but the different names on it. Obviously, you see the Zoom right here, the bottom, the Kobe logo right there. And that's really it. And then the inside with the snake. I guess it's the snake material type of deal. Like I said, on the back, it does have the snake with the M logo from Mamba. And one thing I thought they was going to do is put one shoe with Gigi and one shoe with Kobe's number. But this was a dedicated to his daughter because it dropped on her birthday. So this makes it even more happy for me to get these. Like the shoe that they dropped on her birthday, I got it. So that's why I was like I said, I thought it was going to have Kobe Bryant's number 24. But then again, it's like he has two numbers. But then, I don't know. They put 2 on both of the shoe, embroidered in gold. You know, printed in gold for Gigi, because that was her number 2. Yeah, that's it for me, guys. You know, let me know what you think about the shoe. Does it says Venom in here? Venom. Something, I don't really know, because it's whatever. But it says something right there. I don't know if it says Venom for snake or something. Mean. I don't know. But either way, that's the special video I've been waiting to do. I've been lazy. I've been sick. I've been dealing with work, all that stuff. But the shoe is here. And let me know what you think about it. Did you cop exclusive access? Did you get exclusive access? Do you want them for personal? Or did you cop and then you resold them, that you quick flipped them because they was going for high? Let me know what you think about the Kobe GGs. And I'll be responding, checking comments. And yeah, let me know what you think about the shoe overall. That's it for me, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you're watching at this point, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and as well. Go check out the main channel. Please. We're trying to expand the content on that channel as well. So, see you guys in the next one. Your boy Little Roy's out. And I'll see you. Yeah, I already said that. See you in the next video. Peace the fuck out.